Hi, this is Josh from Rego Consulting.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an HTML text box that will display the last filtered value on a report. Now this can be useful to make it more prominent what filters might be applied to a report. It's not uncommon to get questions if you're the TBMA from a user who thinks his values might be wrong or there's something missing from a report because they don't realize that a compact slicer on the report somewhere is filtering the report and they're not seeing everything. So by adding an HTML text box that displays the filter that might be applied, you might be able to avoid getting questions like that. So let's get started on this. So the first thing I'm going to do here is select the HTML text box from the report banner, and then I'm just going to drop in a little bit of HTML code here. Now for the most part this is just regular HTML. The function here specifically, get last filter value, this is the significant part here. This is what's going to look at the compact slicers and actually going to display that filter value. So now that I have that, I'll pull this up here. You're going to notice that currently there's nothing selected in this report. So let me choose a filter and you'll see it's not displaying anything. So what we need to do first is to lock this HTML text box to the cost source object where the rest of these report elements are attached. So by going into cost source, I'll just grab any data element here and pull that in. And now you see the cost center is being displayed. And I'll save that. So now if I want to select a different filtered element, it is displaying the last filtered value. So you can see how this would be useful. Now it's very prominent what this report is filtered by. The last thing I'll show you is, you see if there's no filters applied, the box is just empty. Nothing wrong with that, but I like to add a little bit of text to it to just make it a little more obvious. So by doing something like this and adding that, when there is no filters, you still have a little placeholder there of where the filter would go. And then you could still choose your filtered by object. So as you can see, this could be useful just to get ahead of some questions that your users might have.
So I hope you found this helpful. This is Josh from Rego Consulting. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or visit regoconsulting.com.